Masking is a feature that you use often when recording palettes to ensure you have the right parameters recorded in each button. Masking can also be used when you're recording presets and cues, and can also be used after recording to suppress information from playback. As a reminder, we apply masks before recording using the mask key. We enable the masking mode, which is displayed on the screens, and then we can choose to mask whole categories using mask in the focus, color, or beam key, or we can mask just specific parameters by using mask and a wheel key. We can turn mask off again by hitting the mask key, and when we come back into the masking mode, it remembers your last position. You can also record combinations of masked parameters using record and mask so that you can recall those combinations quickly. This tutorial is going to focus on applying masks after recording. So we're going to turn mask mode off and look at a couple presets I recorded earlier. We're sitting in a simple white backlight look right now. And when I hit go, I'm going to go into another reasonably simple blue backlight look with a different focus position. I'm going to hit go back and go back into our white look, and then open the preset editor for that specific preset with the blue in it. In the preset list, there's a column called mask, and if I hit modify on the mask cell for a preset, I get a masking editor. Every parameter that has a check mark next to it will be played back from this preset. In this example, I'm going to hide all the color functions by using the column command and hitting modify. So now, when I hit go, I'm going to get the backlight wash in the fanned position, but the blue color is no longer played back. I didn't delete the blue color from preset 3002. I simply hid it from being played back. If I decide later on that I actually do want the blue color to play back, I can come back into the mask editor, reselect those parameters, and apply the tick mark again. Now those parameters are allowed, and when I hit go, the blue color comes back. So masking a preset after it's been recorded is an option when you don't actually want to delete information from the look, but you don't want that information to play back right now. Another option for masking is to mask a master playback. In your browser, under the master section, you can find the master list or the master page editor. I'm going to work in the master list for a moment. And what I can do is I can come down to the preset or the sequence that I wish to adjust, and again find the masking editor and open up a tab that looks pretty much the same as the preset masking editor that we saw before, where I can then choose a column and say, from this particular master, I don't want, in this case, the focus information to play back, or color, or just the iris, or whatever part of it is that you wish to suppress. What this allows you to do is take a sequence, for example, that has a lot of information in it, put that sequence onto 3 or 4 different masters with different masking on them, and then play back different parts of that sequence in different orders or in different combinations as you go. It's just another option of being able to reuse information in creative ways in your Cobalt system.